Good evening, friends. Today we'll discuss about the importance of options in your financial journey, in your investment plans. Before I begin, let's have a quick disclaimer. This video is for education and information purpose only. There are a couple of myths when it comes to trading in options. Right? A lot of people are afraid about options. The first myth is that options are sophisticated and therefore too difficult to understand for common people. Second myth is that options are risky and very dangerous. Third myth is you need to be master in the stock market to trade in options. Friends, let me present few facts to you. I am trading in derivatives in options for almost 14-15 years now, right? And let me tell you, I have debunked all these myths. And the facts is many people have had bad initial experiences, including myself, with options because we were not properly trained in how to use them. The improper use of options, like any other powerful tool, can lead to major problems, right? So it is not different with any other thing. Just working knowledge of stock market is enough to make consistent and regular income from the options. Options, in fact, can be safer than trading in pure stock market because whenever you invest in the stock, you are prone to unlimited profit as well as unlimited losses. But in options, you have limited losses and unlimited profits. So if you used it properly with a right knowledge and a right guidance and right support, options can be more safer and more efficient than trading in the stock market. So why employ options? Because of following few key advantages. They're not in the order of importance, just in regular order. There are few advantages of using options. First is that they provide cost efficiency. Let's say, for example, you want to buy 250 Reliance shares today in the stock market. You would have to invest almost 7 lakhs rupees, right? And let's say you want to hold it only for 1 month. If you go through option and if you are expecting 5% returns in a Reliance in 1 month, instead of investing 7 lakhs, you can invest just 35-40,000, right, at the max, and still reap the same amount of returns that you can get by investing 7 lakhs. So there is a lot of cost efficiency, of course, with proper guidance, proper support, and after acquiring proper knowledge, right? They provide a lot of cost efficiency. As I said, in equity, you are prone to unlimited losses. Options have a provision where you can have limited losses. And we have devised certain strategies where you can gain from the equities through options with very less or sometimes even zero risk. They have potential to develop higher percentage returns. So instead of getting 10,000 returns on 7 lakh, how about you get 10,000 returns on only 35,000? You are quadrupling your money. That is a huge returns and a huge higher percentage, outcome coming from a small investment. They offer number of strategic alternatives. Well, it is little bit advanced concept, but how about you are building only one view that Reliance can go up in cash market. But with options, you can build multiple views. You can profit if Reliance stays there. You can profit if Reliance moves from 2100 to 2700. At the same time, you can make a view of profiting even if Reliance stays exactly at 27,000. So you can build multiple views by building certain strategies in option and have win-win situation, whether it goes up, it stays there, or even if it falls. Using it as a protection, right? Options has a big advantage when you use it for protection or generating regular income out of it. They can help you to acquire your beloved stocks, your favorite stocks, at a very discounted price. Options can help you to generate regular risk-free income, that too at a very minimal investments. So if you combine stock market investment with options, you are sitting on a gold mine. One of the way that we use options, one of the way, not the only way, there are so many things we do. One of the ways that we try to acquire our favorite stock at a discounted price using options, right? So how about you determine a level at a deep discount. Let's say Reliance you want to acquire at a 10% discount. How about you get paid for waiting to buy it at a discount level? So let's say your price does not come for 1 year. How about you get paid such that just by waiting, you generate 12 to 15% or 10 to 15% return from a waiting allowance itself. And just in case, if you get lucky and you get, lucky to acquire a particular stock at a discount, how about generating rent on it for rest of your life around in a tune of 10 to 15% in addition to the capital appreciation? Well, guys, that is the beauty of it. Isn't it exciting? It's very exciting for us. I'm sure you don't want to be left out in this innovative way of making safe wealth over the life, right? This is how options help you to generate regular risk-free income before as well as after acquiring the stock. This is just one of the many ways, as I mentioned, we use options to generate risk-free regular income from options in stock market. And so can you. We have a community of like-minded people. We call it Om Stock Study Katta, where we meet, discuss different ways, and offer our guidances. You also can join our Telegram channel, right? If you want to join, if you find this thing interesting, you can WhatsApp me at the mentioned number here, and I can be happy to add you into our Telegram channel where you can also learn with us, right? So thank you very much for hearing me out. I hope this particular video help you to make decision to embark the journey on options. Thank you.